So here we'll see the different types of manufacturing industries. Out of that, first one is textile industry. So textile industry is the one of the oldest modern industries of our country. Textile industry has more than 100 years old history. The textile industry is operating in our country in two ways. One hand, the modern organized sectors are, the modern mills are there. On the other hand, unorganized sector, which includes the power looms and handlooms. So, textile industry of our country is mainly based on the cotton fabrics, and it is operating at very large scale. The organized sector includes the large scale industries using large number of manpower. It has modern and complex using modern and complex technology. The textile mills are operating at different places in our country. That is Ahmedabad, Surat, then Ludhiana, the Mumbai, and so many other places are there where the modern textile industry has been established. The textile industry is playing very important role in supplying of the clothes in our supply of clothes in our country. The textile mills are, however, suffering from certain problems. The main problems of textile industry is that is the old and outdated machine obsolescence of machines and technology, the shortage of capital, the trade union movements. All these are the basic problems of the textile industry in our country. The textile industry is facing a lot of competition with the foreign markets, foreign industries, and the cost of production is high as compared to that. So that's why these textile mills or textile industries are suffering. The government has taken several initiatives to save the textile industry, and that's why the many sick industries have been undertaken by the government. In spite of that, even the industries are becoming sick. Many private sector industries are operating in our country in the field of textile and cotton. The renowned industries are the Bimal Industries, Mufassal Industries, Bombay Dyeing, Century Textile, Raymond Limited. These are the main industries or big textile industries in our country. Second type of industry is the iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry has been established in our country in the last quarter of 19th century, and it was not progressing before independence. But after independence, the Indian government or our government has taken a lot of initiative under 5-year plans to develop the iron and steel industry. The different iron and steel industries were established like Vilai, Rourkela, Durgapur, and the Bokaro, Salem, Vijayanagar, the Gopalpur industries, and this Jamshedpur, Visakhapatnam. These are the main centers where the iron and steel industries were established. However, the capacity utilization of the iron and steel industries has been declined later. The inefficient planning and control, sickness of the mini steel plants, relatively high cost of production, the shortage of or power shortage, competition with the foreign industries are the main problems which are faced by the steel industry. In spite of these problems, the certain steel companies like Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO, and Steel Authority of India Limited, Ispat Industries Limited, Jindal Vijayanagar Steels, Vijayasagar Steels, the SR Steels, all these are the main steel industries in our country, operating in our country. So all these are the popular steel companies in our country. Third one is sugar industry. Sugar industry is the second largest industry in our country, and it is coming next to cotton and textile industry. The sugar industry received the importance and value under the 5-year plans, and during the last 2 decades the sugar production has followed the pattern of surplus, and due to that surplus pattern or surplus production, the production of sugar cane has been declined, because the sugar was produced in surplus but it was not sold, it was not supplied, and due to that the production of sugar cane declined. The reason for this decline in the sale of sugar is that the cost of production of sugar is high as compared to the foreign markets or foreign competitors, and due to that this industry is not even in position to export the surplus sugar, and due to that even the market has been affected by the high cost. Other than high cost, the old and outdated obsolete technologies are there which are used in our sugar industries. The competition in the sugar industry remains high. So these are the basic problems of the sugar industry. The main centers of sugar production in our country are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Punjab. These are the major centers or major states of sugar production in our country. Some popular sugar mills or large scale sugar mills which are operating in our country are Daurala sugar mills, Mauna sugar mills, Barnampur sugar chini mill, Dhampur sugar mill. So these are the main sugar factories in our country. The next one is cement industry. So cement industry is the industry whose origin was in our country. It was established first time in 1914 when the Indian Cement Company, Indian Cement Company was established for the first time, and it started manufacturing of cement at Porbandar. Means in our country the first sugar mill was established in 1914 in the state of Gujarat at Porbandar, and first time the sugar production started. The 20 large 20 large cement factories are operating in our country, and along with that more than 140 mini plants are operating in our country. The main problem of this cement industry is power and the coal, high cost of production, rigid price, unrealistic distribution policies. So these are the main problems of the cement industry. JK Cement, Beda Binani, ACC, Ambuja, Gujarat Ambuja, or L&T Cement. These are the leading cement manufacturing companies in our country. And Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, all these are the major centers of cement production. Now you have to see the paper industry. Paper industry, next one is paper industries. Paper industry. So paper industry